Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple key fob. It's very easy to make and you can make it in just 10 minutes. So let's get started. For this project you'll need a piece of fabric 14 inches long and 3.5 inches wide, a piece of interfacing 13.5 inches long and 3/4 inch wide. You will also need one lobster clasp, and that's a 3/4 inch wide lobster clasp. First, take the piece of fabric and fold it in half down the centre. Then finger press down the centre just so you can find that central line. Then take the strip of interfacing and place this on the line that you've just marked on the wrong side of your fabric so that the bottom edge of your interfacing is resting on the centre line. And then, following the manufacturer's instructions, press in place. Then fold in half and press. Then fold and press each side into the centre. Then fold again on the centre line and press. Now take your lobster clasp and thread the fabric through it and place your lobster clasp in the centre. Then open out both of the ends and make sure that you have the right sides facing each other. Then either pin together or do as I'm doing and use clover clips to hold the two sides together. And sew together, taking 1/4 inch seam allowance, back tacking at the start and the finish. Now you need to press this seam open. So I finger press it first to begin with, and then using a nice hot iron press the seam open. You will also need to press the side seams back over around the seam you've just made. Next, either pin or clip the side seams together. Then sew around both sides, taking 1/8 inch seam, back tacking at the start and the finish, and removing your pins or clover clips as you go along, and also moving the lobster clasp. Now that both side seams are sewn and your lobster clasp is attached, all you need to do is secure the lobster clasp in place. So put it in the position you want, pin it in place, and then you just need to sew across, remembering to back tack at the start and the finish. And that's your key fob finished. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.